guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. If you're new here, I'm Bolaji, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm doing something different from what you see on this channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how I edit my videos. I had some people asking me how I edit my videos, so I just thought to do this video for you guys. It's very professional and at the same time beginner friendly for you if you want to like make an Instagram video or your YouTube video. So yeah, Imovie is like an app for you. I also use another app that allows for more themes, more music, filters. So if you can get this video to 100 likes, I'll drop that video on how I edit on that other app. So let's get the likes up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Click on that bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video, and share this video to your friends and family. So yeah, let's get right into this video. So now I'm just going to open iMovie on my phone. Everyone has iMovie. Just go to your app store and download iMovie from your app store. It's free, everyone can access iMovie. So yeah. So now I'm just going to click on that plus sign or plus button, whatever. Now we want a movie, not a trailer, so we'll click on that movie because we want a video, a professional video. So we click on movie, and I'm just going to select a random video from my media, just a random video to show you guys how I edit. This is the video I picked finally, and this is what it's looking like. It's a little bit short, it's like 4 minutes long. So this is what we'll be working with in this video. So yeah. So now I'm just showing you guys that you can zoom in and zoom out your video, especially if you want to make it so dramatic. If you want to make a dramatic video, just zoom in and zoom out. Yeah, just pinch to zoom. So now I'm showing you guys that you can use different filters on your video, but most times we don't use filters on our videos, so we just leave it at that. But if you want to switch things up, you can always use a filter from the iMovie. And now I'm just showing you guys so that you can actually write a text on your video. iMovie allows for different fonts, so you can choose the one you like. Right now I'm just going to write the random text. And you can also make it center or lower, anyone that you prefer. And you can sound on, sound off. Here I'm just showing you guys that you can increase the volume of your video or you can mute it. Also here you can increase the speed of your video. And here you can also reduce the speed of your video. And to the most important part of this video is the splitting and the cutting of your video or clips in your video. All you need to do is just to tap on that clip and you see the different settings you can use. If you want to use the split, if you want to use the detach, the duplicate or delete. So right now I'm using the split, and I just cut out the part I didn't like and I used the background, and just showing you guys basically how re-edit videos. I can also mute that clip if I want, and the thing that like joins two clips together, I can change them. There are different things that iMovie allows. You can change it to this thing, and this one is called duplicate or something. You can also make it slide up or slide down. Can make it slide sideways to the left and to the right. This slide upwards or downwards rather. Also, you can wipe to the right, wipe to the left, wipe upwards and wipe downwards. And lastly, the fade. The fade allows you to fade. It fades white and can also fade black. That one was just white. Yeah. So these are the settings in iMovie app. Now I'm just going to show you guys how to put a clip or video in your video. Like if you want to put a meme in your video, how to do it. All you need to do is to click on the video and click on that plus sign, and bam, your video is there, or your meme is there, or anything is there. Also, I'll be showing you guys how I put a picture. The same thing, click on that plus sign and bam, your picture is there. Now I'm just showing you guys that you can also split that video which you put into your normal video. So you can split it. You can cut anything you want to do. And for your picture, you can pinch to position at the beginning, at the end, so it won't keep moving when you press play. Also, I'll be showing you guys other things you can do to your video or picture. So instead of clicking on that plus sign, you click on that ... and this one is like the cutaway. So instead of showing your face, it's showing picture. And then the other one is picture in picture. You can move to wherever you want it to be. Just click on picture and drag to position. You can also increase and decrease the size of the picture. Also, you can do a split screen side by side, the video and the picture. And the last one is green or blue screen. This one is mostly used for aesthetic elements that you want to add to your video. But this is looking weird. There's another thing you can add, which is the audio. Instead of the video, you can just add the audio in that video. I just deleted it now. So yeah, now I'm just showing you guys that you can add audio to your video. There are a lot of sound effects on iMovie. Just choose the one that works for you or what you want. So now I'm just showing you guys that you can mute your clip in a video. Also, you can add sounds like in form of like music on Imovie, but I don't use their music on Imovie. You can also add your own music that you imported from like your Apple Music or any other place. So this is what it's looking like right now, and I'm just showing you guys that you can delete a part that you don't want. Just keep on moving it, and that's you just deleting it, and you can move it back to undo. So yeah, you can watch your movie, you can share, you can delete. So now you can also use the camera and it will appear on your video too, in form of like a picture, a video, anyone you used. You can also use a voiceover, like the one I'm using right now. It's a voiceover. And yeah, I'm currently like watching the video here, so yeah, so this is how the video is looking like right now. Added a lot of songs, added a lot of clips, pictures, videos, deleted a lot of things, and just to show you guys how to edit. So we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so I can make the other video on the other app. So yeah, like this video, also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Click that bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. Share this video to your friends and family. Comment down below for more videos you'd like to see, and if you've not watched my other videos, be sure to watch them, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.